Broiler breeds for dry and Harmattan season in Nigeria and Africa. Top states and features explained. So if you are in Nigeria, I'm going to give you the names of the states and the breeds of broiler for you during the heat and Harmattan period. Gradually, we are moving out of the rainy season. We are going into the dry season and the Harmattan season. Perhaps you want to stock broiler for first period, maybe December and New Year. Please make sure you watch this video till the end so that you get the best and know the particular breed of broiler that you will book that will give you the maximum result and high profit. All the breeds of broilers, both Rose 308, Abor Acres, Cobb 500, and Marshall are good. But what matters is what is the climatic condition of your region at the time of stocking that particular bird. These birds may work for you during the rainy period, but they may not be good. The same breed may not be good for you during the Harmattan or the dry period. So that is what this particular video is going to teach you. Relax and make sure you watch. And if you find this topic very interesting, I will advise you to give it a thumb up and share the video to reach more farmers. Let's get there. Which particular breed of broiler is good for you during this dry season and Harmattan season, which is where we are going in. So if you are in other African countries like Uganda, Zambia, Cameroon, Niger, Sierra Leone, Liberia, and others, please, you can still match your geographical nature of your area with this particular content. In Nigeria, the dry season typically occurs from October to March, characterized by minimal rainfall and lower humidity, especially in the northern part of the country. Here are the states where the dry season is prominent. Northern states, dry season is mostly pronounced, like Kano, Kaduna, Katsina, Borno, Sokoto, Jigawa, Yobe, Zamfara, Niger, Kebbi, Bauchi, Adamawa, and Taraba. Then the central state, that is a middle belt. These states also experience a distinct dry season, though the effect is slightly less extreme compared to the north, like Kogi, Benue, Nasarawa, Plateau, Kwara, and FCT, that is Abuja. Southern state, dry season is there, but less intense compared to the northern side. So while the dry season is prominent or present in these states, it may still have some rainfall during the temperature, and this drops the temperature and make it moderate for them and the livestock there, like Oyo, Osun, Ondo, Ekiti, Ogun, Lagos, Edo, Delta, Enugu, Anambra, Abia, Imo, Rivers, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, and Bayelsa. These areas still have the dry season, but because there will be mild rainfall, it will drop the temperature. So in the northern states, the dry season is mostly pronounced due to the hot desert, like Harmattan winds. However, in the southern and the coastal states, temperature remains more moderate, even though there is still a noticeable reduction in rainfall. So if you're a broiler farmer in those areas, I will advise you to watch this video so that when I mention your own state, you know the particular breed of broiler that is suitable for you and the time you need to place the order so that it will work for you and you get the maximum result. This is why most farmers lose a lot of birds and most farmers don't make it, especially broiler farmers, because they don't match their order and their production with the nature and climate of their area. So right now I'm going to give you the breakdown of all the breeds of broilers in Nigeria. We have Rose 308, we have Abor Acres Plus, we have Cobb 500, and we have Marshall. So let me start with Rose 308. Rose 308 has very rapid growth with good weight gain in short time. The feed conversion is excellent and it has a very good breast meat and ready for market between 6 to 7 weeks, and they can tolerate very good environment that is humid for them. So best state to farm Rose 308 during the hot period. This is the extreme time, that is when the heat is much, that is the dry season, and the Harmattan, as it can perform best under controlled environment in these particular areas. Now, the northern states, dry season and Harmattan broiler farming, like Kano, Kaduna, Sokoto, Borno. Then the middle belt, Plateau, Niger, Benue. This is the breed for you during the Harmattan period. Then Abor Acres Plus. The growth rate is slower than that of Rose 308, but has more balanced meat distribution all over the body. The feed conversion ratio is good and efficient, and it requires high quality feed for optimal growth. It yields a very good meat, and at the same time the maturity is good, between 7 to 8 weeks. They can tolerate environments, slightly variable climate that make their life conducive. Fluctuating temperature is also good for them because they can still accommodate it. Now, best states to farm Abor Acres during the Harmattan and the dry season are: 1. The middle belt state, Kogi, Nasarawa, and FCT. They can plant this during the dry season. Then southern states, Oyo, Ogun, Ondo, can plant this also during the moderate Harmattan season also. Then Cobb 500, which is another breed of broiler. The growth rate is very fast. They grow very efficiently, and the feed conversion ratio is also good. Their feed conversion ratio is very fast, and they are economical broilers. The meat yield is good because they have very breast meat and very large leg. The maturity is between 6 to 7 weeks, and their environmental tolerance is good, and they can live in a semi-controlled environment, and they tolerate high temperature but not extreme humidity. The states this crop can work well or can mature and give you much profit during the dry season is: 1. We have the northern states, Katsina, Jigawa, and Zamfara. This is the kind of broiler you stock during the dry and the Harmattan season. Then the middle belt, Kwara, Niger, and FCT. You can plant this particular broiler breed, Cobb 500, during the Harmattan and the dry season. The next breed, which is the fourth breed, is the Marshall. Marshall is a very good breed with good rate, good growth rate, slightly lower than Rose 308, but highly durable. They are very strong like local bird. They are very strong like Broiler and Broiler. Their feed conversion is efficient, and they can make very good meat, high quality meat, and they can convert your feed into meat in short period of time. They have balanced meat all over their body, and their yield is completely balanced. They can tolerate meat temperature. Their maturity is between 7 to 8 weeks, and their environment adaptability is superb. They can manage and adapt well with harsh climate like local chickens and local birds, including heat and cooler harmattans. They can adjust easily, unlike other breeds. Best states to farm Marshall is: 1. Northern state, extreme temperature, extreme harmattan or dry season. Borno, this is their bed. Yobe, this is their bed, and Kebbi also. Then southern states, moderate harmattan, Osun, Enugu, and Abia State. This particular breed is for you during this particular period. So Rose 308 is best for northern states with controlled environments, thrive in Kano, Kaduna, Sokoto, and Borno during the dry and Harmattan season. Abor Acres is suitable for middle belt and southern states in Kogi, Nasarawa, Oyo, and other states around them. Cobb 500 is ideal for dry regions with less humidity. To work well in Katsina, Jigawa, Zamfara, and FCT. Marshall, highly adaptable, thriving in harsh Harmattan conditions. Borno, Yobe, southern states like Osun and Abia. All these breeds are for you. Each breed is suitable and thrive based on the season or environment, and at the same time the feed availability, with different states offering optimal farming conditions for different breeds of broiler in Nigeria. So if you are from other parts of Africa, please match this particular content with your region and your climate over there. You will still get the best and make the best profit during the period in time. Please don't go away if you have interest in this particular content, because I am loading another content on the best breed for rainy season, because this particular season is between now and March. Then from April next year we start facing another rainy season. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed, and activate the bell notification. Like the video and share this video to reach more farmers. Why I'm coming back with the upgrade of this particular content, the best breed of broilers you farm and your state during the rainy season, so that by then you have already known what breed you're supposed to know, and at the same time have a record of what you're supposed to have. Thank you for watching this video to this extent. I remain your humble servant, and may God continue to bless you and your business till I come your way with another interesting topic loading very soon. Don't go far. I love you all. Mwah.